We're finally back to our original scheduled programming. I have a little different of a setting today, as you can tell. Some of you may or may not recognize. I'm in my mother's room because my boyfriend thinks it's okay to sleep all day. It's literally almost 11 o'clock in the afternoon. So yeah, I'm down here because I got stuff to do. I gotta work, you know what I mean? So anyways, today we're talking about a very expensive body mist. A 4-pack of these, $135 original price. I had to write this down because I don't have a second phone to look up my stuff right now. But $135. Currently, they're on sale for $75 for a 4-pack. So, I mean, and sales don't last all the time. So anyways, these are like $135 if you were to get them any other time. So we're going to see if it's worth that price tag because that is mighty expensive. Now, one of these by itself on sale, $21. So right now they're $21 each. But originally they're $28 each. So very, very expensive. So let's go dig into these, see what they smell like, and see if it's worth $135. Now, I'm not going to lie, when I opened this box, it smelled like straight hand sanitizer and medical supplies. So I'm hoping that that was just the smell of the packaging and not the smell of the fragrances theirself, because oh Lord have mercy. But starting out, we have Mermaid Kisses. Now, these didn't have notes. Like, it did not say what the notes of these fragrances were. It just had like a background picture of like, I guess like what it would smell like. So Mermaid Kisses, the picture in the background was strawberries and blueberries, and it also had like a flower in there. So I'm guessing like a, mixed berry floral type of thing. Be cool if it did smell like blueberries though. And then next we have Unicorn Dreams. This one, the picture of the background was just, it was like a type of cotton candy. So I'm guessing like sugary sweet is what we're dealing with here with Unicorn Dreams. And then next, what do we have? We have I do not know what I'll do without you. So this is like a donut fragrance. The background of this one was just strawberries and donuts. So I don't know. Strawberry donut might be interesting. I'm willing to give it a try. And then we have XOXO. This one, the background was, what was it? Strawberries and kiwis. So another fruity strawberry kiwi fragrance. I'm down for that. All right, so let's give these a try. First, I think I'm going to try Mermaid Kisses. Now, again, what was this one? Strawberries, blueberries, and floral. I'm guessing a floral note in there. Now, again, I didn't realize, well, I did realize because obviously I looked at these bottles, but they are pretty big. So I guess $28 isn't horrible if they're strong enough, you know what I mean? If they smell good. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Okay. Okay, wait. It does smell a little bit like Febreze. Okay. It's giving Febreze. And flowers. So like, yeah, I'm not getting a real like strawberry mixed berry, you know what I mean? It's giving more Febreze, clean, fresh, floral. So that was a lie. Yikes. And in the air, it almost smells cologne-y. Like it almost smells a little bit like a cologne. I don't know, girl. I ain't with that one. XOXO. On to the next one. We're going quick because no. Anyways, this one was supposed to be the strawberry kiwi. Let's see what it smells like. Strawberry kiwis, I hope. It smells like a medicine I had a long time ago. Hold on. Okay, on the skin, it's a little different. On the skin, it's giving fruity, but medicinal. It does smell like medicine. It's like a certain type of medicine that was like a children's medicine. Supposed to be like so your child can take their medicine easier, but it was never good. Oh no, reminds me of horrible times. That was disgusting. On to the next one. I do not know what I'll do without you. Okay, strawberry donuts. Please, please, for the love of God, be something good. It's a little hard to spray. I don't even want to spray that on my skin. This literally smells like dookie. It smells like dookie. It smells like poo poo. Literal butthole. Literal. Unicorn Dreams. This is supposed to be the sugary sweet one. Please, 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 please. Best out of 4, okay? Okay, please. It's the best one yet. Hold on. It's very light. It is very light though. It is not worth $28. None of these are worth $28. Not even the 21 it is on sale. Oh hell. And if somebody were to spend $135 on 4 of these, baby, you done got ripped off. You done got ripped off. And this is not a good body mist. You better go to just Bath and Body Works. Go get a body mist from Bath and Body Works for $18 to $19. You can even get them for $4 to $3 sometimes, depending on what sales they got going on. Always get a good sale at Bath and Body Works. This is horrible. This is literally disgusting. This is a waste of money. I'm starting to taste it. One of them smells like actual butthole, and that's not okay. So yeah. Sorry. What was the brand name again? Amina. 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 So sorry. I'm not trying to be mean. But you know, I do speak my truth, and you know, you ain't paying me to say good things, and even if you were, baby, I would not be saying nothing because you could pay me to talk about you, but I will be talking the truth. That is a fact. Anyways, I don't know, not a fan. If you've tried them and you like them, I recommend going to Bath and Body Works because I've smelled them myself and they're not the best. And if you know me, because I mean, obviously you can't see my background right now, I have almost just about like 200 fragrances probably at this point. So I've smelled quite a few fragrances. Yeah, these are horrible. Love you guys. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Toodles.